Hi, we're Joel and Lia.
And today we're reacting to sorority houses. Step inside this new southern sorority house. Don't mind if we
Wow,
do.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
What do you know about sorority houses?
What's that lovely film I watched? And it was like Delta, Beta, had all the houses.
Legally Blonde.
No. The film Greek.
What's that about?
Is it a film or TV show? I think it's a film.
Never heard of it.
Oh my god, Joel, you would love it. And there's like that girl and she's in a big like neck brace and then she breaks free. Oh, it's so funny.
Because it's all Greek letters, isn't it? Alpha, beta,
gamma, all of that.
Sigma.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just weird because obviously sorority is the girl version, fraternity is the boy version.
Yeah.
But I'm confused. Do they live in the same building? Is it just a club?
I don't think they live in the same building, but I know I'm literally basing all of my knowledge off of like one film.
No, but I think in some films they live in a big house that's a dormitory and they all live there.
Is that not a house party?
No, it's like our version of student halls.
Yeah. Oh wow. So there's some mixed houses and then there's all girls' houses, all boys' houses.
No mixed, just girls and boys because it's America and they don't like.
No mixing.
Yeah.
No mixing.
Very Christian.
Very Christian. No mixing.
No mixing. So we've got 3 different sorority type videos.
Yeah.
Should we just
kick it off?
Just kick it off.
I love how much effort they've firstly put into all their clothing is matching.
Bless them.
Bless their sweet hearts. So this is what we get.
So this is their house.
The houses are amazing as well.
That's incredible. Look at that.
The houses are insane.
Isn't that insane?
Construction for the house started last spring. It's been very exciting. The first level is
Hang on. I feel like I know her.
There we go. You don't know her. She's halfway across the world.
Sorry, but that looks like someone I know.
Like our international president or the chancellor of the university. I think that
really looks like a viewer that I met.
It's my favorite area.
That looked like Callie.
It's really neat to look at, and I can't wait to see our whole chapter eating together.
See, they all eat there and live there, and I'm just like, this is strange. Why is there old people in there?
Yeah, that's not right. Get them out.
Unless they're teachers.
The second and third floor, those are just dorm areas.
Dorm areas. Look
Yeah,
at
look,
their dorms.
their
so
bedrooms
cool.
are
Look,
amazing. The one thing I don't like about American colleges, though, is that you share a room. Like, that never happens in the UK. You never share a room. You have your own room
at boarding school.
Yeah, boarding school, not universities.
Oh, right.
And then we open it up to younger members. A lot of girls, it's a lot.
Yeah, you'd never have to share a uni room.
You share a kitchen, but you never share a room.
Yeah, by the time you're that age, you've got your own space.
I remember my friend who did a year at NYU or something. She hated having a roommate. She was like, it's literally, you've got no privacy. Like, look, their beds are right next to each other. Imagine moving in with a stranger and sleeping right next to them.
Yeah. I have done that, but we're given each other's email address and able to talk to each other before.
See your sister that we couldn't do that last year. It's my first night there last night. And
Wow.
I just think, like, they put a lot of money and effort into those houses.
Yeah.
They look amazing.
But why do they do it? Like, why do they do it but we don't do it over here? Because it looks really cool, but what's the reasoning behind it? Like,
I just think we haven't got the money, we haven't got the patience.
Well, that's the thing. Colleges earn so much money because the fees are ridiculous.
Really high. So, like, one person's fees would be like, what, 100 grand for like 2 years?
Yeah, probably.
I don't know how much. But they've fully kitted out. All of the food looked incredible in that canteen as well.
It's
pretty insane.
So let's look at this one. The title is "The Internet is Freaking Out About This Sorority Recruitment Video." So they're trying to recruit
members.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like everyone's there, and it's like, which house do you want to be part of? And it's like a fitting in thing.
Are you
That's
allowed to be in a house? Like, are you allowed to not be in a house? I mean.
Yeah,
Does
because
everyone
whilst
have to be in
you're
one?
like in the deciding phase, you're going to be coming into it next year, I guess.
No, but do you have to be in one?
Yeah.
You have
I think
to be
so,
in one.
Yeah. Otherwise, where are you going to live? I think there might be like an anomaly house for like rejects. That's what it was. So this film was very outsiders.
It's what if you just want to live at home with your parents and save money?
You don't.
Just don't.
Just try and fit in.
Well, I would never want to be a part of this. Look at how cringy these girls are. I've seen a bit of it already.
Right, ready?
Hi, I'm Maddie, Recruitment Vice President.
I'm Haley, Chapter President. I'm Jean Marie, Formal Recruitment.
Why have they
Chair.
all got annoying voices?
We've been waiting for you all summer, and we're so glad you're finally here.
Oh, so cringe.
imagine if you just did not want to be part of it.
Yeah, and you're just
You
like,
would just
I'm
be
not
the one
doing
person
it.
who didn't want to do it.
I'd be at home, like in my room, being like, I'm not coming down to that stupid video. Like, leave me alone.
Oh my gosh, Joel! That's what they want
I
to do.
can't
They love
stand
getting
it.
involved. They love it, and they learnt the dialogue, and they all practiced it, and then the doors open, and there's the clapping. Like, isn't it hilarious?
It's hilarious because it's so unnecessary. I'm just
It's
like,
so
what are you
unnecessary.
doing? Get back in your room, open a book. You're at college to learn, okay?
Be insular.
Be insular.
Don't socialise.
No.
I think
Wow.
socially they're great. They all get together, but I think
Yeah.
that these houses, from what I saw on the film, like there can be like bullying, and you can be
Yeah.
like with the in crowd, with the not so in crowd, and you've got to go there and be like,
Yeah.
where do I fit in?
I
Oh my god,
know.
I'm not rich enough to be in this house because everyone here has got like a rich dad, and da 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 da. Like, it's really scary.
It's mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you don't want to do it, where do you go? That's a good question.
No idea. I do think my view of it is that I thought you didn't have to be a part of it. It's just like, it's there if you want to be a part of it, and
Oh,
it's
okay.
really prestigious if you get to be a part of the sorority house.
Oh,
which
right.
is stupid because it's just a house and stupid
Maybe they
letters,
live
but-
closer to campus or
Yeah.
on campus, and everyone else just
Yeah.
commutes in a car.
Yeah.
See, I don't know. There's so many American
I'm not
films
sure.
set where people drive in. And
Yeah.
then there's...
Also, why do all the girls look the same? I swear there wasn't a single black girl in that sorority.
Yeah, it's not very diverse.
It's not diverse. They're all white girls
white
with
girl.
straight blonde or brown hair.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous. There's no gingers there.
There were no gingers.
Yeah.
They're in their own house.
They're in their own sorority.
Honestly, they actually are. They are. They're in like a gamma
Wow.
house.
Well, this one, Alabama sorority. An Alabama sorority has
Yeah.
been criticised over their recruitment video.
Great.
So let's have a look
Can't
at
wait
this.
to watch this one.
An Alabama sorority has yanked its recruitment video from YouTube.
Bama.
getting a
Bama
ton of
sorority.
internet backlash. One critic even called the video, quote, worse for women than Donald Trump.
Oh, look. They all look so...
Oh my gosh,
They try to
no.
be like Miss
They do the
America.
fake laugh thing,
Oh
like,
my
let's
gosh.
pretend we're having a great time. Why are they all wearing white?
Yeah, because they're all so pure and virgins.
They're not virgins, come on.
What? Come on. Oh my god, I'm at college. Oh my god.
This is worse.
This is horrific.
Yeah,
Look.
this is terrible.
I would not fit in.
What if you're not a girl that's like that? What if you're
Yeah,
not like a
there's
super girly girl
yeah,
who
I
wants to
know.
be like
Oh
ridiculous?
no, what if you're like, I'm not an Instagram model?
No. They all look the same. Look at
They
them.
all look the same.
Wow. I mean, they look like they're having a great time. Blessed.
Blessed.
Well, the
Alpha
University of
Phi.
Alabama's Alpha
It's the
Phi
A and the
sorority
F.
chapter released the video. It shows dozens of young girls, all of them white, wearing booty
Yeah.
shorts and bikinis, frolicking across a football field, jumping into a lake, and blowing handfuls
They're literally
of
all
glitter.
white.
The video comes 2
Look
years
at the house.
after the university ordered changes to its sorority system when it learned about racial discrimination during the recruitment process.
Oh.
The University of Alabama released a statement saying the video, quote, is not reflective of UA's expectations for student organizations to be
UA?
Wow. UA, University of Alabama. Bama.
Alabama.
That's
Oh my
insane.
gosh.
Because isn't Alabama supposed to be like one of the most like
It's meant to be a sweet home.
Alabama sweet home?
Alabama.
I just thought it doesn't surprise me that there's racial discrimination in Alabama.
Oh, it
But
does
maybe,
not surprise me either.
Yeah.
But, you know, it's good that the university said, look, this is not representative of who
Yeah.
we are, because that is really bad.
Yeah, that's so
And
bad.
like these girls that are already in this house pick who comes in next.
Yeah.
So it's like building on
Yeah.
like already like a lot of prejudice. It's
probably
really,
a lot of
really scary.
Incestuousness.
Yeah. Imagine like
It's
being
weird.
in a bitchy house like that. Like you
Oh,
just crumble.
that's the thing. Are they actually all laughing and having a good time, or
Do they
how
all hate each other and
awful-
love drama?
All their periods will sync at the same time, which means they're all going to be in terrible moods at the same time. Can you imagine going into that house with all these women just like, oh my gosh, it would drive me
It'd
crazy.
be awful.
It would be awful.
We would not be able to survive that.
No, we'd be in our own house.
Yeah, we'd just be like
The Joel
J&L
Lia.
house.
J&L. What's Greek for J&L?
J&L. Well, we haven't got the we can't really say the J sound. It'd be like Z, because we can't, like, my mum's name's Ioanna, but in English that's Joanna, but Greeks always say
yeah.
Zoanna.
Zoanna.
Because we haven't really got the J
No.
sound. And
damn it.
lambda, fine. Why do sororities use Greek letters, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta.
Like, what does it mean? Like, why would you choose alpha, delta, and not zeta, theta?
Yeah, because in one of the films, Zeta's like an uncool house.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So, like, all of these ones that you're like, oh, we can't possibly be Phi. Oh, no, that was one of the cool houses. In
or
the
like
next
Delta
one.
Nu.
Yeah.
That's in a film somewhere. Delta Nu.
Nu.
That's probably in Legally Blonde or something.
Yeah, so loads of questions about sororities. Well, yeah, we both hate it, I think.
I know.
Unless you found like a really cool house with like really cool people.
Yeah, but just the sheer amount of people in that house as well would just be awful. Like, it's bad enough I live with 3 other people.
Yeah.
So it's 4 of us in a house, and I'm already like, don't want to live with 4 people. Well, 3 people. Like, it's too many.
It's too many people. Yeah, I feel you.
Too many housemates spoil the broth. That's what they say.
Yeah, exactly. Or the potion in last night's house video.
Wow.
Joel had a Harry Potter video.
Yeah, I did.
Party last night.
Harry Potter themed birthday party for my housemate. So
and he went as a broomstick.
Yeah.
As a Nimbus
Insert
2000.
photo here.
It was fantastic.
Great. It was such a fun party. So yeah.
At the HP house.
Yeah.
Right, guys. Well, that's our sort of reaction to these things. Let us know if you like this sort of Brits react to series. We're going to keep doing it on our channel if it gets a good response.
Yeah.
If not, we're going to keep doing it anyway.
Definitely.
So...
we're going to do a fraternity one next, so stay tuned for that. That will be coming up.
Yeah. Oh, I can just imagine it now.
I know. I think it's going to be
guys with the abs that play football.
Yeah, and just like chugging beer and just like being loud. And again, you know how I feel about loud people. Right.
If you're enjoying this video so far, then please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. And today's poll is...
Have you ever been in a sorority?
House.
Yes or no?
Yeah. I'd love to know.
Yeah.
Be very intrigued. Or a
No,
just a sorority.
That's on the next video.
Okay, save it.
Yeah, so like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We post videos thrice weekly.
And if you want to help us one day stay in a sorority or not, then please donate to our coffee page. No, really, it's just a platform that allows you to be part of this channel and to support us, bringing more content to you and better content. So if you can, great. If you can't, no worries.
Yeah. And University of Alabama, if you want to invite us to
do a speech,
do a speech, go around a sorority house, bring some more diverse people in, we can do that.
Thank
She's
you.
Greek.
Yeah, I've put a lot of bronzer on today as well, so I'll be the brownest in that video.
Yeah. See you later.
Bye.
That was freaky.
Freaky Friday.
Freaky Friday.
Do you remember that film?
Yeah.
That was good. Lindsay Lohan.
She was probably in a sorority.
You reckon?
Yeah, Lindsay Lohan.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They would have all been, in those sort of sorority houses. Wow.